Hi, this is Boris. Welcome to another episode of Sketch Pen Draw. So, for HANNAH BARBERA month, we're going to draw another character, a well-known character, Yogi Bear, today. So again, like I did with Captain Caveman from the last video, I'm going to use a pen. So let's start with the head. So let's look at the outline of the character. Okay, so the outline of the head. So let's start. So I just want to make sure that I'll get enough space to draw the whole body. So something like this, and then the other side, same way. Okay. Let me move this a bit. And then for the ears, maybe something like this. Again, it's really like interesting and very, for me at least, educational, how they've figured out a shortcut or a shorthand for the bear ears, for example, right? Like, and that sort of thing just helps, you know, everybody out. So those egg shapes for the eyes. I have to say, I don't know if it's the method or the characters I've chosen, but I feel closer to Hanna-Barbera cartoons, and therefore I think I feel I have more fun drawing them than because, you know, I feel like in watching TV, like, you spend more time with these characters instead of even though now in the streaming platforms, like, you have movies you can watch whenever you want, but still, it's a movie, right? It requires a certain amount of like commitment in terms of time. But cartoons, like, you know, you can just, like, there are 15-minute cartoons, like, and so. And in the long run, yeah, you end up connecting more with these characters than the Disney characters, at least in my case. So here, you can see that, like, the collar is a little bit inclined. So I'm going to capture that. Good thing you can erase pens on digitally. So we'll come back to the tie in a moment. I just want to get the torso. Actually, let's see. I got the shape, okay. So if you haven't seen the tutorial I've done on hands, go check it out, because I talk about the beautiful shapes that the fingers create, especially if you're drawing instead of just, like, taking them from actors. So a little bit. Okay, let me move this. Oops. So like for example here for the hand, right, I see this big shape, the outline, and then I can just go in and then separate it into fingers. You can also do it at a certain point, to some extent, when you're drawing more realistic hands. Same here for the foot. Or feet. And that's it. So that was Yogi Bear. So yeah, I mean it's a sort of the same process where you like go from big shapes to small shapes, and then you like carve out the details, right? So so yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me just correct this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.